If you frequently visit the same website, the Home button can be a convenient shortcut that takes you there with a single click. And if you don't use it, Microsoft Edge also lets you hide it to keep the toolbar cleaner. In this video, I'll show you how to show or hide the Home button in Microsoft Edge. Let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Now click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of the browser window. From the menu, select Settings. Once you're inside Settings, click Appearance in the left-hand panel. Then look for Home button. Here you'll see Home and a toggle next to it. Turn this toggle on if you want the Home button to appear next to the address bar. As soon as you enable it, you'll see the Home icon appear in the browser toolbar. If you ever decide you don't need it, simply return to the same setting and turn the toggle off to hide it again. When the Home button is enabled, Edge also lets you choose what happens when you click it. You can set it to open the new tab page, which is useful if you want quick access to search, shortcuts, and Edge's start page. Or you can choose Enter URL and specify a particular website. For example, you might set it to your favorite news site, search engine, work dashboard, or any page you visit regularly. Once configured, clicking the Home button will instantly take you to the destination you've selected. This small customization can save time and make navigation more convenient, especially if you repeatedly return to the same page throughout the day. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to show or hide the Home button in Microsoft Edge. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Microsoft Edge tutorials, browser customization guides, and tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.